Alright, well, good Sunday morning all. It's about 11:45 Sunday morning, and we have a beautiful day today. It's about 61 degrees and breezy, and today is the Ryker's first bath day. It's pretty filthy from driving it around in the rain over the last week or two, just sitting outside, and I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but there is pollen, yellow pollen all over everything here. We got a lot of pine trees out in our neighborhood, so everything is pretty gnarly with all the pollen floating around. Everybody's sneezing and snotting, and bath time for the Ryker. So first bath, here we go. Get this thing all cleaned up and detailed, and see how things go. Alrighty. I'm gonna have to learn the nuances of giving this thing a bath. All the nooks and crannies and places to dry and blow out with compressed air. One of the things that I like to use is an air compressor with a blower attachment on it, and blow out all the nooks and crannies and whatnot on here. So let's get this thing underway. Got a time lapse set up, and we'll just see how long it takes me. She's all cleaned up. Notice I haven't fully bedded in my rotors yet. I still see cross hatching on those, so I'm gonna take this thing out today, I think, and bed the brakes in a little better. Oh wow, you can see the yellow pollen. Crazy. Trying to figure out how to use this silly. There we go. Anyway, so yeah, she's all cleaned up. Air compressor is nice because it blows all the water out of the little nooks and crannies. There's a bunch of water still seeping out of it here and there. I'm probably going to go over it with the Honda polish spray, because I got water seeping out of it everywhere, and it helps prevent the little water spots and runs and whatnot. A little later today, I'm going to take the bonnet off the front of that and put in the horn and maybe the power distribution block, and wire up the hand grips while I'm at it. Shouldn't be too hard of a job. Looks like there's only a handful of things that need to be pulled off of it. Can-Am Revzilla. It's showing up, and it's Rykerzilla. Did that for the Instagram get a free order thing, but haven't heard back yet. Keep this one on here or not, but anyway. So yeah, it took about 35 minutes to get it all done, and first time through, so little lessons to learn, and watch out for the rear wheel when you're washing that thing, there's some sharp plastic bits just down in here somewhere. One of them caught my hand and gave me a little hickey, so might ought to wear gloves. Anyway, time to go blow her off in the wind. Now this is my idea of a relaxing Sunday afternoon. It's about 64 degrees, breezy. The dog's getting her lazy dog day afternoon. And I've got my hammock strung over here off of my gazebo in the back. And went ahead and threw a little underquilt on here. This is the, what do we have? I got my double nest hammock and a one tigress underquilt, because when the breeze blows through here, we got about a 10-15 mile an hour breeze occasionally, it gets a little chilly, so I always have underquilts on my hammocks when I'm hanging in the cooler months. And climb in here, relax a bit. Oh, I forgot, the other piece is a snug pack pillow. Trick to these is not to inflate them all the way. For hammock use, they get a little bit too firm. So here we are, nice diagonal lay. Whoops. Nice diagonal lay and a double nest. Quilt underneath me, and grab my Kindle Paperwhite here and just chill out for the afternoon. What do you think, Grace? You think so? You're pretty tired too, aren't you? Alright, I'll leave you alone and let you take your nap. It is just a beautiful day out here. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous day. Alright, well, off to reading a book and taking a nap. Catch you all later.